Comfort is killing you. If you all chase is comfort, don't be surprised when life slaps you hard in the face and you start complaining why you're even in that situation. Kaya yung iba, ang bilis sumuko, ang bilis mainis or ma-depress. Konting problema lang bagsak na agad. Bakit? Because you never train yourself to suffer on purpose. Even Jesus said that the wise man builds his house on the rock. When the storm comes, hindi yan basta-basta matitinag. Pero kung buhay mo nakatayo lang sa buhangin, good luck my brother. This is why we push ourselves now to suffer by a choice, to get stronger before life forces us to. One day, tatanda tayo and we'll look back at how strong we were physically and mentally. At mapapaisip ka na lang na sana pala I push even harder. I take